Hey guys, look who came to play with us today. It's Mama Echo. And oh my goodness, her head spins. So she's always watching everybody. And no one is in my room with me right now, so I will take off my mask. Let's see how it looks on Mama Echo. What do you think? A little too big? I'll have to work on getting her one that fits. So Mama's been wanting to come to a lesson to check and make sure baby Echo is being a good listener and helping you guys. What do you think? Hmm. Yeah, okay. I'm glad you think he's been doing a good job. So Mama's gonna go away right now, and we have some new letters to learn today. Are you excited? I am. Which ones do you think it's gonna be? Drum roll, please. We have some plain line letters, and the first one is the letter P. This is a picture of a pan, and the sound is P. Repeat after me. P, pan. Good job. Anybody see where the P should go on our alphabet? Very good. Did you say after the O? Because LMNOP. And we need to leave a little bit more space because we'll have one more letter here. Let's practice. P, pan, P. Good. And what is P? Is it a consonant or a vowel? A consonant. Very good. Here's our next letter today. The letter J. And we always have the capital, the big letter, the uppercase, and the lowercase. And this is a jug. It could have water in it or milk. And jug starts with J. So we'll say J, jug, J. You try. And here's our standard card. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. There it is. Okay, let's do a warm up today of all the ones we've learned so far. So I'll say the letter name, keyword, and the sound, and then you'll echo. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. We're skipping this one. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. N, nut, N. M, man, M. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, R, rat, S, snake, T, top, T. U, up, Excellent. Nice job, everybody. So back to the two letters of today, J and P. It's kind of funny. I have a friend who we call JP. And look if we go this way, PJs. Who loves wearing PJs? Oh, I have comfy PJs with PJ Masks characters on them. My favorite is Catboy because I like blue. But anyways, we need to know how to write these letters. So let's start with the letter P. I'm going to show you on my handy dandy whiteboard. So P is a plain line letter. We point to the plain line. We go down to the warm line, trace back up to the plain line, and curve all the way around to the grass line. P, pan, P. When we're making all of these lowercase letters, we never pick up our markers. It stays down the whole time. See? We have to trace back up and around. Don't pick it up. Okay, let's skywrite together now. Shake out your arms. Get nice and straight. Muscles. and visualize it as you write it. Repeat after me. Point to the plane line. Go down to the worm line. Trace back up to the plane line and curve all the way around to the grass line. P, pan, p. Nice. Do you want to do it again? Okay, repeat after me. Point to the plane line. Go down to the worm line. Trace back up to the plane line and curve all the way down to the grass line. P, pan, p. Great job. Get your whiteboard now, and I want you to do at least 3 P's. You can do more if you'd like. Pause here. Do your P's. You're back. You must have done perfect P's. Please circle your favorite one and show me. I like this one. Baby Echo wants to see yours. Ooh, he's impressed. Okay, and now for our other letter of the day. Who remembers what it was? Very good. The letter's name is J. And here, I'm going to show you first before we skywrite. J is also a plane line letter. So it'll start on the plane line, go all the way down to the worm line, and make a curve, and add a dot. That's the only time you pick up your marker, when you're making dots on I's or J's. J, jug, j. And let me show you what it looks like on the smaller side. Point to the plane line, go all the way down to the worm line, make a curve, and do a dot. J, jug, j. Remember, as you're writing your J's, I want to hear you saying J, jug, j after each one. Pause here. You're back. Did you finish all your J's? Show me your favorite. Show me. Woohoo! I love your J's. I love them. Wait a second. Did we skywrite? We went right to writing our J's on here. Well, now let's skywrite. Come on, guys, get up. Arms out. Let's do glittery yellow today. Okay, repeat after me. Point to the plane line. Go all the way down to the worm line and make a curve. Add a dot. J, jug, j. Great job, my friends. And the last part of our day is our notebook. So let's find P and J. Are they consonants or vowels? Both yellow, both consonants, so we'll find them in the beginning. Which one will we find first? J comes first, so show me J. There it is on page 3. Point to the letter's name. What is it? J. What's the keyword, the picture? Jug. And what sound does J make? J. Good, go ahead and color in that jug. And when you're ready, you can join me to find P on the next page. What's the letter's name? P. What's the keyword? A pan. And what sound does it make? P. Great job, my friends. And Baby Echo wanted to remind me that we didn't sing our vowels today. So before you go, let's see here your best singing voice and join in with me. Here we go. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, ah. All right, my friends, this is Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo signing out. Have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow.